What up, world? Birdhouse, nigga. $1 Riko Red. You know what I'm saying? Always getting bread, man.
Every day I get bread, more cash, more paper. Nigga talk shit, I send niggas to meet they maker. Like I said before, Louisiana for show. And if I see yo bitch, I'ma pimp yo hoe. Nigga play with me, nigga, I stay so strapped. So if you talk shit, I'ma peel your cap back. Just like a pineapple, maybe an apple. I need to go to New York, the Big Apple. Way back down here to the boot. All my niggas cut throat and they love to shoot. They love to scrap too. Niggas whatever. So if you play with me, we bustin' at any weather. Out your head, go your brains. I'm getting money, I'm pursuing my dreams. Ghetto riches. Ghetto bitches, don't need them hoes cause they be snitches. Niggas too, I heard about you. I heard about the shit you did, man, I knew. You niggas so fake, get out my way. Don't even speak when you in my face. Just stay up on your stroll, on your old way. I got 38s, 9s, and AKs. Nigga, you play with me, you gon' sleep in graves. Cemetery ass nigga, but I'm getting paid. From the kitchen to the dishes, I'ma whip this work, I'ma slap him with these switches. These niggas slave, bitch, you my son. I'm Riko Red and bitch, I'm hotter than the sun.
Man,
hey.
That nigga said he hotter than the sun out in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Riko Red, man, that nigga just killed it, you know what I'm saying? That's just a little preview. This nigga don't even freestyle. Like, this nigga's not a freestyler. He just mom, you know what I'm saying? Get that pen in that pad. But I'm just saying, though, man. This nigga, you know what I'm saying? He still got some hot balls with him, man. Peep him out, man. Look for City of Lights. Volume 2, you know what I'm saying? Life's a Gamble, man. It's coming soon, man. Riko Red, man. First up $1, man.
One time.
You know what I'm saying?
Click, clack, I aim it flat. Niggas talk that shit, but I'm dressed in black. Time to creep and crawl, blood on the wall. Ain't your blood, ain't your cuz. I'm about to ball, about to buy the mall and everything in it. Nigga talking shit, this game I'm still winning and you losing, you crying. Quit bitching like a hoe. Go get your cash and get your dough, nigga, and quit beaming, scheming off niggas. Get from round week, cause y'all be smoking up my trees and I don't like that. This shit got me hot. I'm 38 hot, about to hit the Glock. Hammer, glamours and bammers. Nigga talk shit, I'm putting them in pajamas. Go to sleep, ho. I'm on the screen. Man, I'm so retarded, I think I'm about to scream.
Bananas in pajamas, get in like Santana. I'm $1, bitch, hit you with the blam blammer. You know what I'm saying? Quick hot couple balls, you know what I'm saying? I can't spit, man. I'm not a rapper, you know what I'm saying? Don't even listen to that. Like your boy, man, like the YouTube some shit with that rap parody shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm not a rapper. Yeah, I'm really not a rapper, so I'm just like, I know this business, man. I know this game, man. I know what I'm saying. I see these young niggas kind of come up, man, saying, make someone to say these niggas ain't giving them a chance. Birdhouse will give them a chance, you know what I'm saying? Because these niggas can shine, man. These niggas got flow, man. And they determined, man. They hungry out here, man. They want to eat, man. I want to eat too, you know what I'm saying? So who am I to starve another nigga out? You know what I'm saying?
Talk, man.
That's just real shit, you know what I'm saying? Just for your ear, man. Just up in here, man. Birdhouse Records, man. First up $1, man. Riko Red, man. We all there up in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Fuck you, baby hug.
Oh, you gotta spit something else for these niggas, man.
Oh, I guess the niggas say you gotta spit something else.
Some more shit. I'm gonna get better every time I spit.
I get better with every flow, every ball, every dough, every time I pick up the mic. And yeah, just start the flow, mine start to go. Then I start to write words, then I start to rip them up, and then I start to write words and write more and think more and think more, and everything I see is just rhymes for my paint, y'all. Yeah, painting the picture. Yeah, get the picture. Yeah, I get the figures. $1 richer. Yeah, I'm smoking pine, yeah, because it chills me out. And yeah, I always talk how I just like to be in the South. F504, that boot, that 318, they calling out. Them HPG niggas don't make me have to call them out. Yeah, heavy hitters in the game still. No game, bitch. No game real. No gag real. And no reflex. Nigga hit your ass with 3 texts. Like Stockton, I'm steady robbing the rich and bring to the poor. Obo Gotten. Y'all don't even know who that is. That's people from my fam, so don't even go with that shit. Yeah, balling out insane. Shout outs to my nigga DQ, you insane. Yeah. Shouts out to my niggas HQ, Lil Mean, Lil Heat, and Lil G, and Boo Boo. Now guess what? I don't know none of them niggas. I just made that shit up because it sound like it made me bigger. That's what I do on the track, man. Fresh double dollar, man. I like to play around, man. I'm a clown, man. Man, Riko, tell them how you feel, man.
I'm a clown, I'm a donkey,
yeah.
I'm a motherfucking gangster, you a motherfucking honky.
Honky!
White boy, yeah, bitch, you scared. Get up on your knees and spread your fucking legs, nigga.
Bitch.
You getting fucked by the white folks, police. See me in the streets, you be hating me, but it's okay, cause I'ma keep it cool. But if you piss me off, my nigga, I act a fucking fool. So watch what you saying, cause watch what you saying, man, your words can mean death. When I creep by myself, I stealth. Niggas play with me, whip his ass with the belt.
Ooh, shit, damn. Like Pop, like Kid and Blake. Wow, 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 where your ass went, boy? Double dollar, man, Birdhouse Records, man.